Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan and in today's video I have got the cheapest Traxxas Slash Project out with me once again. Now I'm down here, I'm in Missouri and I found this nice little park, so I thought I'd stop and just go ahead and bash around with the cheapest Traxxas Slash Project. Now if you're not familiar with this project, this started out as the cheapest, basically ready to run Slash you could buy. It had everything minus the battery. And it started out at $189.95. I basically built it into the brushless machine that it is today. I'm going to go ahead and put a card in the corner in this video if you want to check out the whole series. I have a whole series on the cheapest Traxxas Slash, starting from when I unboxed it all the way to building it into the brushless machine it is now. So like I said, I'll put a card in the corner for that, but for everybody else who's familiar with this RC, I am running a 3S LiPo, and we're just going to go ahead and jump right in this video. So let's go ahead and get started bashing. Here we go. Ooh, tumbled it already. Here, how about launch? Ready, get set, go. Ooh, those tires are not hooking up. This grass is kind of long. I do apologize if there's any wind noise. There's a slight breeze today. Not too bad though. Floored. Oh, whoa. Oh, nearly hit the tree. Go over there, bring it back around, guys. Woo, it's bumpy. Woo. Oh, what the heck was that? I didn't blow open a tire, did I? I thought I hit something. Oh no, guys. I didn't hit anything. My tire blew open. That's my tire foam. Oh no. Like 1 minute into bashing also. Well, you know what, guys? We're gonna run without the foam. Let's keep on going. This thing's probably not going to drive very well now that I have the foam out of that tire. That is a bummer. I saw something blue and I'm like, that looks like foam. But I didn't know the foam inside was blue. So yep, the foam just tore right out of the tire. But let me set that up here and we're going to keep on bashing minus the foam in the one tire. We should still be able to make it through a bashing session, I hope. Set that there and let's keep on going. Let's see, I think it was the right one. The right rear right here is the one that just blew out. So this one right here, guys, no more foam. No more foam. Oh well. Really, it doesn't feel a whole lot different, to be honest. I thought it'd feel super unbalanced. It really doesn't feel a whole lot different. It feels about the same as it did. If you guys are liking the cheapest Traxxas Slash Project, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. I would greatly appreciate it. I put a lot of time into making these videos. If you guys could just take 1 second and give this video a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. So that means we have to do something about getting new tires or something if I can't get these repaired, because these Badlands are also getting kind of old. I've beaten the crap out of them. And they weren't brand new when I put them on this machine either, guys. These were takeoffs from my Traxxas Slash 4-wheel drive. We got some mulch here. I figure why not jump it over this mulch? That should be a heck of a lot of fun. Ooh, the curve right there though. Bring it out this way. Still upright. tumbled it, gotta grab it. Upright. We're stuck. It feels like it's pushing maybe a little bit more now. Who would have thought a pile of mulch would be so much fun, guys? See, can we get up over that? Ooh. Yep, we're good. Ooh, tumbled it, gotta grab it. Ooh, the body's all messed up, or something's messed up. Oh yeah, I think it's just a body draped up over the bumper. It looked all messed up there for a second. Wait a second. Guys, something broke. Oh no. The screw actually broke that goes right in there. Bummer. That is a massive bummer, guys. So the screw actually broke. So that kind of sucks. Can we keep on going like this? Probably not recommended. No wonder it looks all messed up, guys. What do you think? Keep on running it? What's the worst that's gonna happen? It'll crash. That's what's gonna happen. Oh. I shouldn't be still running it, but it's still kind of fun, guys, just to try to run it and rip it around, even when it's broken. Whoa! I mean, we could break it, even worse, but hopefully not. Oh! Ran it right into the curb. Uh-oh. Something else might have broken. Uh-oh, guys. Oh, I think I broke the servo saver. Bummer, guys. Well, guess that's going to be the end for the Cheapest Traxxas Slash project. These wheels are no longer connected, so have to take it apart when I get home. But this was a very short video, guys, but if you did enjoy it, please hit that like button. We'll have this thing back up and running in no time. I look forward to seeing you guys in another video.